Githagathago kiria githiete na mbere kwiyumiria kumana na igeria ria kambuni ya ndege ya Kenya Airways kuoya uramati na urugamiriri wa kiharo kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta kuma moko-ini ma kambuni ya uramati wa iharo cia ndege bururi-ini KAA no githiete na mbere kuria umuthi kionekire gukinya cikaro-ini cia bunge na gutungio uregani munene kumana na itumi itiganite.
We were bailing them out. They were in ICU. And now these are people who were in ICU and they want to acquire KAA. And KAA is considering this marriage. Really?
Considering the issues we are raising and the level of preparedness of the team, I feel that they are ill prepared for the exercise.
KAA belongs to the people of Kenya. 100%.
Yes.
So if we allow Kenya Airways to come in and own JKA, we are taking 23% of our property to KLM and giving them free of charge.
Kamiti ya bunge igikigina kia muingi PIC igithingiriria maabitha KAA rungu rwa murugamiriri wao munene John Anderson gutariria gitumi kia gukorwo magicurania gwikiranira ngirimiti na KQ na thengia wa gukorwo matarihitwo thiria munene ni KQ.
Has the board sat on this?
Yes, sir. The board is well informed.
And what direction has the board given?
To consider the proposal, and that's what we are doing.
That KQ is a loss-making entity. Aware of that, then how did you allow yourself to take their proposal to the treasurer instead of your mother ministry?
Kenya Airways owed us at the end of 2018 in December 3.8 billion shillings.
You are seriously considering transacting with a company that has to pay you 3.8 billion?
If I may, Chair.
Yes.
This is of course part of the, gaps we are putting up in our so-called negotiation criteria.
Kenya Airways ikire ihoya ria kuyukia uramati wa kiharo kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku. Kioneki kinene ari kwarahura kambuni ino kumana na hathara iria ikoretwo igithica-ini ikuhi. Undu umwe na gucokia murugamo wao ta kambuni iria itikitio muno gitaro-ini kia Africa kuma kuri kambuni ta cia Ethiopia Airlines.
There was a question I asked, but I want them to come with it very clearly in terms of who is making this proposal.
Who are these owners of NIC Bank and CBA? Is there a relationship with Kenya Airways? We need to know that.
Parliament will write to the Registrar of Companies, and if it means personally someone working there to be able to get the CR12, which will include returns as to these two banks, who owns these two banks.
Kamiti ya PIC riu igiatha bodi yothe ya KAA gugekinyia mbere yao kana gakiumia giki gutariria murugamo wao. Uari mbere yao gutamania murugamo wao wigie ndeto ino cikaro-ini cia bunge. Undu uyu gikinyanira KQ ginyitanira na kambuni cia ndege ta Qatar na Emirates hari kuramata iharo cia ndege mabũrũri-inĩ mao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.